Hey there! Here I'll demonstrate how to make stunning graphics with ease using Canva's AI Image Generator. If you find this instruction helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips. On the Canva editor, look at the left-hand menu and click Apps, located at the bottom. In the search bar, type Magic Media and select the app when it appears. Click Open to launch the tool. Once the tool is open, select Image as your option. Enter a description of what you'd like to create. For example, a futuristic city with neon lights. Pick your preferred style, such as photo, illustration, or cartoon. Adjust the aspect ratio. In this example, I'll select square for my image. Click Generate Image, and Canva will work its magic to create your image. Once the images are ready, you can regenerate if you're not satisfied. Select the one you like, and it'll be added directly to your project. With only a few clicks, you can design bespoke photos for any project. It's really basic and incredibly versatile. If you find this guide beneficial, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. See you in the next one.